In this video, we'll be discussing the new Java HTTP client library which was introduced in Java 11. The HTTP client was incubated in Java 9 with multiple modifications in Java 10 and was standardized in Java 11. It resides in the java.net.http package and module. Before Java 11, developers had to use basic URL connection or use third-party libraries such as Apache HTTP client or OKHTTP. The new Java HTTP client supports both HTTP 1.1 and HTTP 2. By default, new HTTP client will send requests using HTTP 2. Requests will be downgraded to HTTP 1.1 if the server do not support HTTP 2. There are two ways to create instances of HTTP client. First is using HTTP client.new client, and the second through builder, which is HTTP client.new-builder.build. New HTTP client uses reactive stream to work asynchronously with requests and responses. New HTTP client can also be used to send requests and receive responses synchronously. The new HTTP client API consists of three main classes or interfaces. The first one is the HTTP client class, the second one is HTTP request class, and the third one is the HTTP response interface. The HTTP client class is used to send a request and retrieve the corresponding responses. HTTP requests encapsulate the detail of the requested resource, including the request URI. The HTTP response class encapsulates the response from the server. Now let's look at building some of the examples of HTTP client in IntelliJ. So let's create a new HTTP client example. So create a new class, new Java class, and the class name is HTTP client example. So let's create public static void main and create an instance of HTTP client. HTTP client is equal to HTTP client dot new HTTP client. Now, after creating the HTTP client instance, we'll be using the builder pattern to get a basic HTTP request instance with just the URI. So HTTP request is equal to HTTP request dot new builder and then dot URI, and inside the URI you'll be creating the URI, calling the URI dot create and providing the public URL. In this case, I'm using the URL of the website of my friends. You can use any URI which you like to use, and .build and colon. Now we have to create the HTTP response. So HTTP response, as we are looking for HTTP response of type string, and response is equal to client dot send and request and HTTP response dot body handler dot auth string. Okay, so the send method here send the request synchronously and wait for the response. When the client receives the response code and header, it invokes body handler before the response body is received. Now let's print this out. Here response.body. Now let's run this example. So you can see that the response is received from the server and it printed the whole response in string. Now let's look at an example of creating a HTTP request asynchronously. So let's create a new class inside the Java improvements, and the class name is async HTTP client. Void main, and here we'll be creating the instance of HTTP client. Client is equal to HTTP client dot new HTTP client. Same way, we'll be creating the HTTP request using the URI HTTP request is equal to HTTP request dot new builder dot URI and URI dot create HTTPS www.ldevsolve.com and dot build. So to receive the response asynchronously, we will use the HTTP client send async method, and this async method will return completable future. So we will call get method on the completable future to get the response. So let's implement this. So completable future, and this time it will be of type void is equal to client dot send async and HTTP response dot body handler dot twist of string. So we are using the body handlers of type string, and then apply dot here it should be request first, and then body handler dot of string, and then dot, then apply, and HTTP response body and dot, then accept, and here it will be printing out. So system out colon println, and afterwards we getting the response dot get. It's complaining about the exception, so let exception to method signature. Now let's run this example. So you can see that it printed out a response in string format. So these are the two examples of HTTP client, one using synchronous, another one using async.